Yeah, so guys, we are heading to the waterfall.
The waterfall on.
Oh.
That means it's a waterfall side.
Mm-hmm.
And at the moment, it's very full.
Uh-huh.
And it will be noisy. So I think when we go there,
We will not be talking so much.
Because it's really loud.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Is this now the tourism that we used to learn in books?
Exactly. So we call it
domestic.
Eco-tourism.
Oh, eco-tourism.
Because you are marketing nature.
Oh, you are marketing nature.
This eco-tourism.
It's very brown.
Because of the
Mud and something. Yeah. So we are going to the waterfall itself, guys. Let's go first and then we shall be back. Somebody's coming from deep inside. Sunday. Huh?
Sisi tukizini ya kazi. Tukizia kazi ya kulipa. Guys, enjoy guys.
I want you to enjoy the waterfall. So beautiful. Yes guys, I hope you are enjoying the waterfall. From this side. Yeah. So I hope you are enjoying it guys. There's another one here. People are taking photos guys and they are enjoying. There is a lot of trees here guys. So enjoy guys the video. Yeah guys. So let's go down there guys. The road is very slippery guys. I'm entering this place guys, it's very cheap. You can take some time guys and treat yourself and your people. People you love, you can take time and treat them guys. Ensure you treat them like at least once in a lifetime guys. There are so many good things to enjoy. Wow. Beautiful guys. Let's go. Guys, I'm really like mesmerized. I want you to enjoy, guys, the pictures I'm taking for you here. Yeah, enjoy the nature, guys. It's your day, guys. Wow. Sorry. Wow, guys. So guys, let's leave. Wow, guys, that's been so good, so enjoyable, guys.
Wadan. Wadan.
Si mbaya.
Tulipiga pamoja twende hivyo caves.
Sawa.
Ndio leo hapa.
Sawa, sawa. Wah, umechukua shot?
Umechukua shot?
Wewe umechukua shot? Hii naweza tumia. Tunaenda hivi. Ni saa ngapi?
Maturudi.
Turudi? Ni mbali?
Kwenda kurudi. Kabisa. Surround kiasi.
Yeah, so guys, we are from the caves. We are from the waterfall. Guys, we are going to Mau Mau caves, guys, where the Mau Mau fighters used to hide. Yeah, so that was it, guys. At least I hope you have enjoyed the video. Wewe na kamera, watu wanataka kabisa uwachukue. Oh. Pesa kidogo.
Na walk na time.
Una walk na time.
Kama ni photo shoot. Normally, this water is always clear.
Oh, very clear.
Now because it rains, very clear. Even you can see the frogs.
Oh,
the fish.
It's always very clear.
Fish here and catfish.
Here. Oh. It's always very clear water, guys. YouTube algorithm. Sunday. So guys, we are going to a cave.
To the cave now.
Yeah.
This I'm going.
Yes.
We have a small
waterfall here.
It was a very big tree. It fell last month.
Oh, it fell down.
Last year.
Was it a Mugumo tree?
No.
Oh.
We call it Newtonia.
Oh. The tree fell down, guys. It's a very big tree.
Very big one.
Forest.
We usually say this is a place where you find peace.
This is where you find peace. It is true.
You can come and just, maybe if you are stressed up, you come and sit here, relax.
You will find, eventually you find yourself.
That's where you find peace.
And it is very true.
Exactly.
The kind of air that's here, bro. And there's some cold breeze, and then the air you breathe.
So nice.
So nature will talk to you until you overcome stress.
Exactly. We call this, you know, when you are your high school learned about Moses.
Moses. This is Moses now.
Sorry.
This is now Moses, guys. Whatever we used to learn in science.
The fun.
Yeah, fun. That's
Very
fun.
fun.
It was in some category of trees, of plants. They were in the same category. Plants.
No, biology is very realistic somehow. Because you know you have a reference on things
That you see.
that are physical.
Actually, science is practical. You don't need to believe science because it's there.
Bridge here.
It's a very nice bridge here, guys. We are going through this place. Look at it on the other side, and also on the other side. It is criminal offense to collect, harm, defense, or kill Karara forest animals and plants. Wow. Forest. And bro, you always taking short videos, like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
You don't take long videos.
That's the problem. I need to start doing long. I think I have an issue with the phone.
Oh.
So I need to look for a nice phone.
And then you, yeah.
Because you know for the phones, sometimes they don't take long.
Yeah.
I think this type of is it a lichen or mushroom?
Yeah, could be lichen.
Lichen.
Yeah, lichens.
That's what I told you about biology.
Biology. Science is very practical. You know, I used to like biology so much. So it reached a point, they used to ask very small questions. You have read the whole paragraph, but you have read the whole book, but they ask things you don't expect. So that's why I started leaving it.
That's what I was feeling about GoPro. You know GoPro can take a very long and nice picture.
Very long and nice. The way the pictures appear in GoPro, you know, they're very stable. You can run, but still very clear.
For the phone plate.
Also, you know, with GoPro, you can take a motorbike and go those long rides. You can go for so long distances. Enjoy, guys. Yeah, we want our people to enjoy. You know, the other time I went and made videos in Lake Victoria, in Mibei. Yeah.
You are talking about accommodation.
Where? Oh, the other time. Ah, you know there are so many. Oh, you watched the video. Like technically, they are not very expensive here in Kenya. Especially when you are out of Nairobi. Exactly. This is beautiful, guys. We want you to enjoy this. Tisama umadi.
The mud is kind of
Slippery.
slippery.
Yeah.
The oldest tree.
The oldest tree? Oh. The oldest tree, guys. This is a cave, right? Oh. Oh. Here's a cave, guys. Wow. Let me take another edition.